Now, in home science or HEFS, the chapter second is continued, which is clinical nutrition and dietetics. Today, I'm going to tell about the two things which are preparing for a career and the scope of clinical nutrition and dietetics. It means how you can prepare yourself in order to pursue any profession offered by CND, which is clinical nutritionist dietetics or dietitian. Here, in order to be a clinical nutritionist, one must have the knowledge and understanding of the basic biological and physical sciences, including chemistry, physiology, and biochemistry. Besides the food sciences, food safety, quality, food laws and regulations, service management, bookkeeping, etc. Then he must be able to counsel the patient, which is an art and science. How? Art means how he will convince, and science what? What is to be convinced in what way, so that the patient is convinced. All right. Then, in this way, the knowledge of psychology and sociology and education is also very important for a dietitian. And to choose any career option offered by CND, one has to pass class 10 plus 2 with BSc degree in home science or specialization in nutrition. All right. Then PG diploma in dietetics with an internship, MSc in food science. All right. Then, in order to be a registered dietitian, he has to pursue MSc in food science. All right. For teaching in college, university, etc., he has to clear the UGC conducted exams. UGC is University Grant Commission, which is responsible for conducting the exams at national and state level for making a person eligible to teach in colleges and universities. All right. And for researcher, one has to complete the PhD, okay, to pursue career in research or academics. All right. Now, what is the scope where this knowledge can be used, applied as a career? CND, Clinical Nutritionist and Dietetics, offers wide and rich scope as a teacher, which is very common, counselor, researcher, diet counselor, corporate counselor, clinical nutritionist, okay, in food industry, research and development and production of medical food, nutraceuticals, tube foods, etc. And the relevance of nutritional conditions or considerations in preventing, treating, and curing various diseases, okay, and the condition is being increasingly accepted. Besides this, development of drugs and nutritional supplements, development of dietary guidelines, and nutritional education also has vast scope. Then one can find jobs in hospitals as dietitian, clinic can also offer such services. Then teacher, consultants in many companies in developing, those companies that are developing therapeutic food and supplements. Then he can be engaged in food service provider or manager in, again, in hospitals, in clinics, or he can choose any club, health club, gymnasium, etc. Besides this, he can work as a freelancer, okay, who will provide free service to any of these places, schools, colleges, companies, factories, etc. So, in this way, we see that the knowledge of food and nutrition is very, very, very important, not only for ill people, sick people, but for a healthy person also, in order to maintain his health and to meet any kind of nutritional requirement that can arise due to any condition, like a woman is pregnant, so for that person also, that condition also, different diet is required after modifying the regular diet. Then diet for a child is different, diet for a sports person is different, diet for the person who has undergone some operation, surgery, etc. is different. So all these people, not only sick people, ill people, but healthy people also get advantage because of or with the help of this knowledge that is provided by a dietitian. All right, thank you.